Good afternoon. Presenting Sleuthing Journal. City of Carson is the city I chose to survey for this project. It's located 13 miles south of downtown Los Angeles. Carson is the youngest municipality in the South Bay region of metropolitan Los Angeles. As of the 2010 census, Carson had a population of 91,714. It's bordered by West Rancho Dominguez on the north, Compton on the northeast, Rancho Dominguez and Long Beach on the east, Wilmington on the south, and West Carson and Harbor Gateway in the west climate. Warm summer Mediterranean climate, similar to that of Los Angeles Basin, with noticeably cooler temperatures during the summer due to the nearby Pacific Ocean. Rainfall is scarce during the summer in Carson, but receives enough rainfall throughout the year. Service Planning Areas, or SPA, is simply a specific geographic region within LA County. Due to the large size of LA County, it has been divided into 8 geographic areas. These distinct regions allow the Department of Public Health to develop and provide more relevant public health and clinical services targeted to the specific health needs of the residents in these different areas. And Carson belonged to SPA 8. Demographics. There are top 4 racial makeup of Carson. And the most number belongs to Hispanic or Latino, that is 38.6%, followed by Asians at 25.6%, and tied for white and African American at 23.8%. The government, state and federal representation. In the California State Legislature, Carson is in the 35th Senate District, represented by Democrat Stephen Bradford, and the 64th Assembly District, represented by Democrat Mike Gibson. In the United States House of Representatives, Carson is in California's 44th Congressional District, represented by Democrat Nanette Barragan. Healthcare access. Access to high-quality healthcare helps to ensure critical health needs are met in a timely manner, and that the many benefits of preventive health services can be fully realized. Lack of health insurance and a regular source of care are 2 of the most important barriers to healthcare. Providence Medical Institute I have identified as a healthcare access in Carson. It has physicians that are focused on providing high quality, cost-effective, and compassionate care in the tradition of the Sisters of Providence, while increasing access to the primary and urgent care services in their local communities. Has contracts with most major health plans, HMOs, Medicare, and Medicare Advantage plans, and medical. Carson Wellness Center provides a range of primary and preventive care services for the entire family, delivered in a warm, patient-friendly atmosphere. Services include women's health, pediatric care, dental care, integrated behavioral health, prenatal care, pregnancy testing, family planning, and a teen walk-in clinic. The LA County Department of Health Services operates the Torrance Health Center in Harbor Gateway, Los Angeles, near Torrance, and is the one serving Carson mostly. The Torrance Health Care Center offers the following free and low-cost public health services that includes immunization, tuberculosis testing, sexually transmitted disease testing, and treatment. Vaccination rates. Even with a new law that has boosted kindergarten vaccination rates to record highs, hundreds of schools across California still have so many children lacking full immunization that they pose an increased risk of disease outbreaks, according to a time analysis of state data. Below is a sample vaccination data from one of Carson's leading elementary schools. Meanwhile, on a national level, kindergarten vaccination coverage rates for measles, mumps and rubella vaccine, diphtheria, tetanus and acellular pertussis vaccine, and varicella vaccine each approach 95% in the United States. That's according to the latest data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Flu shots anyone can access, or call 211 for the most current information and to confirm locations before going to the clinics. Aside from free flu shots, free Tdap and PPV vaccines will also be available at each clinic. For those that have no insurance, they can purchase immunization services. It's at a cost of $15 per child or adult and $30 for a family with 2 or more children. The Carson City Fire Department is offering special training to its residents to support emergency preparedness and increase citizen involvement in the community resources. The program CERT, Community Emergency Response Team, utilizes Carson City Fire Department and other supporting agencies to prepare citizens for all kinds of emergencies and to aid local emergency services in the event of a disaster in their community. Los Angeles and other Southern California areas are federal disaster area. This declaration makes federal funding available in case of disaster and emergency. City of Carson's website also provides its residents all the pertinent information to equip them and prepare them for disaster and emergency. Health education program includes stroke management. Joseph B. Jr. and Mary Ann O'Neill Stroke Center is to serve the needs of people living with the effects of stroke and to provide support for their families. This facility features rehab fitness equipment and offers a variety of activities. Health education promotion includes mosquito-borne diseases campaign, women's health, West Nile virus, sexual assault support, women's health and money and work. In response to an increase of the West Nile virus cases in the LA area, the LA County Department of Public Health has launched a public health campaign dedicated to warning area's residents about the mosquito transmission with West Nile virus. The campaign is titled Not Just a Bite. I have compiled some other resources such as brochures and pamphlets in the Public Health Community Center of Carson, and these are the following: Women's Reproductive Health and Environment, Planning for a Healthy Home, Body and Baby, Community Healing, Trauma and Prevention Center, Get Healthy Carson City, and Safety First Act Now. This ends my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a good day.